Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Apps section. Following that, select Default Apps on the left and then click on one of those options to manage them, like for example, Default Email app. Then click on the one that you wish to set up. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!